business? All right, well, let me give you a simple way to find the easiest business to start. Remember, it means there's going to be a lot of competition, but the easiest way to think about starting a business is this way. What problem are you dealing with right now? What issue are you dealing with? That's the business you should be starting. It shouldn't be a t-shirt brand, shouldn't be, Shopify store. No, it should be, what problem are you having right now? Are you having a problem with snow? Are you having a problem with lawn care? Are you having problems with editing? Are you having that's the business you should start, because that's a problem that you have. I'm pretty sure there's hundreds of thousands of people that have a problem. The way you solve it is, first of all, solve it for yourself, solve it for a few friends for free, get the information, testimonials, put up a quick website, and start marketing that problem that you're fixing. And then guess what? People are gonna come to you and say, yes, you know what, I have that problem. And then you say, I charge $5,000 for that problem to fix for you. They pay you, you fix the problem, and you keep going. You scale up from there. That's how you start a proper business. All right, Coach Kenny, see you guys at the top.